It's your boy. It's your boy. Hold up. That boy looking clean. I know you didn't see your boy looking clean like this in a minute since I went to ATL like what, 3 weeks ago. But yeah, your boy, I've been looking rough, you feel me? Your boy White Pre in this bitch, man. You watching how you do a G? I don't know. TV in this bitch, man. You feel me? If it's not tatted, then it ain't real. We about to go somewhere. I'm not sure where, but hey, that's Shidel.
Down.
Just tell the people that my way I go.
We're going to Advanced Auto.
For what?
To get some hoses and pipes and shit for the car. For the cruiser. The blue cruiser parked in my driveway, nigga. Down. Okay.
Why are we not there yet?
We're almost there, nigga. Down. Ow!
Like
make the U-turn, dog. Like he's so slow. Not. Damn, this thing is heavy, O'Shane. Ah!
I thought it was.
My head already big enough. Thanks. We didn't need any help. Thank you. What am I supposed to be saying?
I don't know. Just tell the people about yourself. Who are you? If they want to follow you. Find the Instagram. I fired Big Done. We're gonna go mess it.
That's for saying I look like a giraffe. I just remember.
Yeah, you do. Yeah. Bro, you look like a running giraffe. Like you do.
First Kmart called me a flamingo. Now I'm a giraffe. I'm the whole freaking animal kingdom, guys.
If y'all seen the video, y'all would have been like, she looked like a giraffe running. G shit.
I can't help it that I'm tall.
The way like you was running, like, and then.
I can't help it that I'm tall, O'Shane. So? It's not my fault you like short bitches.
I don't like short.
Girls, excuse my French. Wow, this is not a family-friendly vlog at all.
Let me not say anything at all. She's the meanest person you ever meet. I'm lying?
You are!
No, I'm not.
O'Shane, I'm so sweet to you. What are you even saying?
When are you, name one thing you did for me that was sweet.
Name one thing I did that wasn't.
Everything. You just hit me a while ago.
Gotcha, bitch.
O'Shane liked to instigate things. He liked to provoke me, and then he want to play the victim.
No, I don't. She's lying.
I'm not mean. I'm mean, but I'm not mean. Like, ask O'Shane. O'Shane will ask me for something, and if O'Shane tell me right now he hungry, and I have it, I'm gonna send him the money. Right or wrong?
Yo, you hear this?
No, let me go to my Cash App since we wanna be funny today. Nah. Since we're being funny.
Who are you talking to? I can't me. Why I did it?
You know that's why you did it.
Nah, it's not. Cause I was supposed to bring you food for like a long time ago.
For what? I don't remember.
I was supposed to bring you
Shit!
something. You just spilled your green tea in my car.
I'm upset. I only had a little bit left to go. Damn it.
She just spilled
I
her
had to
green
break
tea
out
in
my
my car.
Keurig for this because, you know.
So you're gonna clean that up, right?
Nigga, it's just another stain in a car full of stains. When you clean this garbage?
She really is just size me, you guys.
Wanna go to Chick-fil-A?
Chick-fil-A? For what? You got money? Yeah, right now we at Advance. Oh, you short. She's short.
If it wasn't pink, it would be so nice.
For who?
Me.
Oh.
Okay.
I think I missed that.
You know what's crazy? I almost got a TSX for my birthday.
I need one.
It's in my driveway.
You wanna buy me one?
It's in my driveway if you wanna
No,
buy
I'm
it.
talking about what's it called?
No, your car's too dirty.
Buy me a Honda one. Yeah, buy me this one right here that says Honda.
No, you need to clean your car before you deserve nice things.
So if I clean my car, you gonna buy me one?
No. I'll think about it. I know we just had to talk about what I got going on right now in my life.
So you can't buy me a steering wheel cover
For $20?
Oh,
I
shit.
don't.
Nah, this one's.
You're recording. Family friendly. Let's keep it G.
She about to say something.
Yes, I was. But I did it. And that's all that matters. I didn't say what I wanted to say. I'll show you guys.
This is like so like, cause you're so short. So it's like, I gotta keep it at the like, the right.
You could just angle it down, dummy.
But then I have to keep my hand up here. Nobody want to keep running up this side.
Do work for the people.
Nah, fuck that.
They deserve it.
They do. I love y'all, man.
Exactly.
I love every one of y'all that watch my video. Even if it's 50 views or 20 views.
I watch your videos some days.
That's real. High five.
Most of the time I just be too busy to sit and watch it. Like I used to YouTube heavy, like back in the gap. Like I promise, I went to this party. So I went to this party on Saturday, right? And there's this girl there with us. But you know, it's like a group of us, and then this girl comes and everybody's like, who is she? Why is she with us? Who is she? Why is she with us? I'm just like, can y'all be nice? Just be nice. Like, damn, she obviously know them, so she with us. It took me a while. Boom, boom, boom. We here. Whole party passing, no dog. Look at my friend Instagram, and he posted her in his story, and he tagged her. When I opened it, I was like, oh shit, this Rochelle, the YouTuber. Is anything private?
Hell no.
I'm starting to see that.
You get original content. DJ Danger.
Hi, Vic. Wait, where's Vic?
Vic, say what I'm going.
Hi, Vic.
My dog, Victor.
We can link, but not right now. But y'all fun see me. Don't worry. We out here.
Yeah.
Double tap Sunday, Vic?
Right now.
Double tap Sunday?
Stop it, you heathens! Stop it! No! I don't partake in those activities.
What do you mean? Why we not double tapping on Sunday?
I'm definitely on that. Don't tell nobody though.
Alright, bet. Bet. I'm out there too. I get off at 9. Go ahead.
Oh, you can't see me. Like, oh, I'm a shadow like you. That was kind of rude. Yeah.
What?
I'm usually way nicer than this, guys. I'm super nice, and like I'm one of O'Shane's greatest friends.
Not
like,
nice.
Hey, Victor. Ah! You know, you're gonna stop lying to the people on the vlog. Victor.
Everybody that walk past. That's all I'm saying.
Victor.
Yes.
Am I nice?
You're nice to me.
You heard that? She's nice to him, not me.
I'm always nice to O'Shane. Why is O'Shane lying, Vic? O'Shane is lying out his ass, guys. I'm always very nice to O'Shane. I'm very sweet to O'Shane.
Well, alright, from when I first met you, you're definitely a lot nicer.
True that.
I'm not even gonna lie. That's a fact.
True that.
That's a fact.
That is a fact. I can say.
That's a fact.
I mean,
Chick-fil-A. We're closer to Chick-fil-A now than if we go back to my house.
You guys should come visit Victor.
where's Chick-fil-A?
On Hillsborough, so keep going that way.
Victor, nobody not gonna look for you. Watch it.
We're kind of going to Chick-fil-A now.
Fuck y'all.
Watch it. You're full kaya. That's why you can't drive. Boy, I don't know about both.
This is a family-friendly vlog, sir.
Who said so?
I'm saying so.
This is OGTV, where anything and everything can happen.
These are the friends that Gabby blessed me with, guys.
Wow. You guys remember Gabby, right? I'ma roll the clip.
Stop! 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 Met them at Gabby's house. Guys, I'm chocolate! Ah! So, Gabby said she was gonna have taco night at her house. I still haven't gotten any tacos, and it is 2019. This happened in 2016. So, I still haven't seen the tacos. Still waiting. But I did meet Vic, but these people don't know me. I can't be acting like myself here.
Yeah, you need to act like yourself.
No, they'll laugh at me.
Exactly, that's the whole point.
Okay. So that's when I met Vic, and I met this dirty one here. And who else did I meet that night? I met John, I met Kmart.
You met everyone that night.
Yeah, just about. And yeah, we've been friends since.
We've been friends since.
really be trying me, and when he tried me for real, it's a problem. Then I really had to, like, you know, get away from him, find my space, center myself, so that I can be a better person.
I find him.
Victor over here talking about food, but I don't know why.
I'm gonna know.
I told you first right after the fucking light, O'Shane.
If you had asked me about the camera, we wouldn't have missed a turn. So
I'm recording your vlog for you. This is your job, not mine.
I understand, but I'm driving.
And you're supposed to be driving.
Okay,
that's your job. Go right.
You asked me something about the camera, right? So I had to.
And guess where we are, guys?
Chick-fil-A. Oh, they got 2 lanes? Oh, y'all raw.
Chick-fil-A's official, you know.
I know. They be having people outside taking our orders.
There's somebody standing right there to take your order.
I wonder if she wants to be in my vlog.
I doubt it.
I'm gonna ask her.
We'll see.
Shidel just been yapping to y'all like. Ooh, your boy. Sun kind of hitting too.
If I go out and sun, I'm gonna kill him right now. Don't do it.
If you do what?
If I go out in the sun right now, I'm gonna fuck him up. But
Victor, stop.
I don't wanna do it to my life.
Stop. You don't even have a haircut. Stop.
I don't need a haircut.
Yeah, you do.
Man, watch this.
Victor, stop it. Oh my god, light skin face. Oh my god. Hi, I'm good.
Hi. Okay, can I do a 12-count nugget meal?
What's a drink?
Instead, can I do a large vanilla shake with no toppings? And then an extra large fry on the side?
You got it.
With extra
So
Polynesian sauce. And a small chicken noodle soup.
Anything else?
That's it.
So a 12-count meal with a large vanilla shake, no toppings.
Can you say hi to my vlog?
Hello.
What?
I like her. She's a nice person.
There you go. Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, Tiffany! Shut your ass up.
Hi, Tiff.
Hi, Tiff.
Let me tell y'all the craziest thing. So I went to this party this one night and I met this girl and I swore she was Tiff because the girl asked me for my Instagram name and I gave it to her and then somebody followed me and I swore it was her. So this entire time, and I was like, holy shit, she don't look like her, like she looks so different in person. That's literally what I've been thinking to myself, my dumb ass. That's what I've been thinking to myself this entire time. Like, damn, she looks different in person. It's like, and it wasn't only till like last week that I went out again, saw the same girl, and then she followed me and I was like, because every time I see her at parties, I'd be like, hey, Tiff.
She's so dumb.
You got that on your vlog.
I did. I really did.
I really don't even have an excuse for that one.
Alright, you guys, so we're in the line waiting for Chick-fil-A to get to the
I honestly didn't
cash
have an
register.
excuse for that one. I was just slow dog.
I'm gonna cut it, come back when we're somewhere else. I don't know, but yeah.
Hey Ron, get in the vlog.
I like people like you. I ain't even gotta ask.
That's what I'm
I ain't even gotta ask. I like people like you.
You see, this is why you need to keep, huh?
See, yeah, this is why I need to come to Chick-fil-A more often.
What's your phone doing?
You feel me?
I was so hurt.
I broke my phone, you guys.
I almost cried. Hello.
It's been broken for like weeks and I didn't even know it. If she didn't take my case off my phone, I wouldn't have known.
Okay. Oh my god. And this is why I don't want to vlog with you. You do things to embarrass me.
What? You over here?
Yo.
So
Chick-fil-A is the best. They've upgraded to paper straws.
so is McDonald's.
I don't eat at McDonald's. How the fuck would I do that?
Oh. But we're back in the line, you guys, because this one forgot to buy food for her little sister. Take
What?
two.
Yeah, sometimes you have to put yourself first, okay, ladies? Don't let anybody tell you different. You come first. Unless you have kids, then your kids come first. But I don't have any kids except for my baby. It's just a lot. I just got a lot going on, guys. Really go first?
I was gonna see if it was hot again. But yeah. Back to the same flake girl. Hi. Yeah, what's your name?
Christina.
Christine. Oh, there's a tag, I'm sorry.
There's a
I'm
name
so
tag
rude.
right there.
I know, I just saw it.
Okay, I'm gonna do another 12-count nugget meal.
What's a drink?
Sprite,
You got it.
Polynesian sauce, that's it.
12-count meal. The Sprite will be $9.05. Cash or card?
Card.
Card. I'll take it right here.
Which Chick-fil-A is this?
In Deerfield. I don't know what this.
Alright guys, so if you ever come to Chick-fil-A at Deerfield, Christina, she's the best, alright?
What's your channel called?
OGTV.
What is it?
OGTV.
OGTV?
Yeah.
I'll look that up.
Here, thank you.
See you later.
Get me out here getting you fans and shit.
I know, right?
You need to come to my side of the
You know
world.
what's funny? I forgot to tell her it's 2 underscores after that. So yeah, she's not gonna find my shit, you guys. Christina, that's her name, right? Christina? She's not gonna see her own self on my video, on my channel. Hey bitch, I pulled out for you.
That's what he said.
I didn't say that. whoever he is that she's messing with, that's what he said.
Whoa, 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 buddy.
Okay.
Slow your roll, baby.
Yo, my name's Captain Cap.
Captain Cat.
Hey, I'm the captain of this.
Come here, come closer, come closer.
Hey, and that's Ralphie right there.
Yo,
What's up, bro? What you want me to say?
Anything, just
Oh, what it is?
Chick-fil-A. You
Yes,
feel me?
sir.
Y'all the best service. I love y'all. Alright guys, so we got back to Shidel's house and now we're running more errands.
Because somebody didn't text me. Wow. Okay, hold on.
Can you turn that shit down? Damn. I can't even hear myself talk. No, my battery's about to die. I guess we're ending the vlog short, you guys. We're about to run some more errands. You feel me?
Last bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. Big Birkin bag, hold 5-6 figures. Stripes on my ass, so he called this pussy tigger. Fucking on a scamming ass, rich ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no added to the picture. Drop a couple racks, watch his ass get bigger. I'm drinking all liquor and I'm looking like a nigga. If it's money right, he can eat it like a snicker. I ain't got time for you.
Ain't you talking about my driving? Ain't you talking about my driving?
Just met that fake ass gold. I'm the realest bitch.
So,
Never to you snake ass.
I'm gonna cut the camera on back when we reach our destination, alright?
You at work?
No, I'm vlogging. I'm out vlogging.
No, wait, come on. You're vlogging? I'm not even scared, bro. Right, what?
I'm soon forward. I'm soon forward.
Hey, hush.
We're back at AutoZone. To get more shit. It was at Advance earlier. Still vlogging while I'm on live. So.
Exactly, with like a million different persons.
Yeah. Hurry up, Shidel. It's taking forever.
Oh, give me the camera. Because you gotta carry everything that's coming, because I'm not carrying it. What? It's recording? Hi guys, I'm back.
What time is it?
I thought I was upside down, but I'm not. That was dumb. That was kind of low-key dumb of me. Oh, Shane, come get the bags. And they said chivalry was dead. Okay, let's go, guys.
Alright, who's next?
I feel like me and O'Shea need to go out and get matching tattoos.
Matching tattoos.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends on what it is.
I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then boom,
I'm down.
we have matching tattoos.
matching tattoos.
Because you know I have matching tattoos of Shuriga on my shoulder.
But y'all not friends no more.
Life comes at you fast.
That shit hit you in the face like a roller coaster.
Exactly. Am I supposed to like cut my tattoo out because we're not friends no more? Nah, nigga, I love this fucking tattoo.
I mean, you can,
It's so freaking cute.
you know.
I'm just on live. You're just on live.
They said big. I'm vlogging, that's why.
Huh?
But yeah, guys, where are we going now? Back to your house? Yeah, we're going back to her house, so.
Put your fucking seatbelt on. God damn it.
Alright. But yeah, stay tuned.
Huge. It was huge. It was huge.
But yeah, this is Shidel.
My phone's dead. Because
Mine's
somebody
dying.
won't fix it.
Fuck it. We're back at Shidel's house. I'm about to leave.
And you know,
Alright.
Shidel. It was great meeting y'all. Follow me on
Day's
Instagram. What's my Instagram again?
over. Definitely Shidel.
Oh, definitely Shidel. Shidel. Yeah. But it's pronounced Shidel. If you ever call me Shidel, I will run my hand through your fucking face. That's that.
That's pretty mean.
Yeah, I'm kind of sick of people calling me Shidel now. I don't give a fuck how
Who
mean
calls
it
you
sounds.
Shidel?
I don't even get to myself.
Shidel? Oh my. Ow! That was so rude of you. Oh, Shidel.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you've been on the channel,
Your outro's done.
oh no, it's still going. If you've been on the channel,
Why'd you leave the door open?
you know what's bracking. I'm out this bitch.